In this video, I am just going to enlighten you that how English speaking is very necessary for the young generations of today. For an example, if I shall say about myself, then do you know I will start in this way. I will tell, I think in these days, learning of English speaking is equal to capturing the success in life forever. Hello my young minds, by my heart, today I welcome all of you to my new session. In this video, I am just going to enlighten you that how English speaking is very necessary for the young generations of today. So really today I am trying to make realize them that how English language is really important for this generation. Do you know English skill is itself a very beautiful and fantastic skill, and so this skills also helps all of you to carve and to improve other skills around us. Today I promised myself that today I will give you a lot of concepts. That concepts may really enlighten your mind, enlighten your consciousness that how this language is really important for this era. In this video, I have decided that at first I shall start to introduce myself by speaking in English language. So just be seated in your seat and gaze on the screen so that the concept that is being delivered here must be fitted in your mind. You have to just construct a little or minor sentences that the listener should interest in your speaking. For an example, if I shall say about myself, then do you know I will start in this way. I will tell, hello, my name is Jamaluddin and I love to create YouTube contents, and you know, for creating YouTube contents give me a lot of satisfaction. That's how I shall construct my sentences in English, and I hope if you do so as I did, really your listener, your audience or the people surrounding you must concentrate in your every words. Perhaps you know how to write an essay, you know how to write a good article, but they will tell, sir, whenever I am starting to write any topics in English, actually I can write, but my written article and my written essay cannot be spoken even by me. And do you know the reason is that you are just avoiding a little bit of practice. You are just avoiding the fundamental practice of English speaking. English speaking is nothing but it is itself a medium of practice. And do you know, any skill in this world can be achieved with the help of repeated practice. So I shall suggest to my audience that just participate your whole times in practicing your skill. Do you know, whenever you are talking with your friends, you should use English sentences. Whenever you are taking class in the classroom, you should interact with your students with English sentences. Whenever you are thinking, you should just plot English sentences in your mind. And do you know, by this way you can really improve your English speaking, English language, and this skill must improve your thinking level. Do you know, practice may be the learning of grammatical structure and applying this grammatical structure during your conversation. So just be remember, your presence should be in your practice, and doing the activities of practice day by day, really you can believe that one day come and you will feel yourself that your speaking is just going more advancement day by day, and you can easily speak with your friends and in public. I think 2 or more attempts must delight you, and really you will realize yourself that your curiosity is being hiked, and you will feel that speaking English is really a delightful task for you. And do you know, this can be achieved only by the repeated practice. So just be remember, your practice should be your friend. Your practice should be your weapon to conquer the war of hesitation. In this era, the communication skill really in English language is a fashionable, and not only private sectors, I think in government jobs of higher positions must search their employee who are really have a capability to speak in English. And so I suggest to my audience, to my students, that you should must apply your energy to capture this skill. I think in these days learning of English speaking is equal to capturing the success in life forever. At last, I shall say to my dear audience that just be master of this language and be attentive in your every step of your life. Bye bye.